Basically this week I got hit with everything's been containing. Chick reaches out, I want something to talk to you about. The containing space of that. I've offended somebody. I've put her in this space. Not safe, vulnerability after she shared with. Today, getting in the conversation around planning for Mother's Day with the girls. It's my weekend to have the girls, and she wanted time with the girls. And so just communication, working, co-parenting together, newly, as birthdays, holidays, things like this are not, we don't have a protocol for it. So just those new bumps and bruises, noticing the new dynamic, just the reality, I'll say, or at least how it occurs to me right now this week in the place that I'm in and where I am in my business, and focusing on that, where I am in my finances in this new chapter, taking care of two households with child support, things like that. In the world of masculine, nobody gives a fuck about your feelings. Nobody gives a fuck about how you feel. It is truly my experience. How it occurs to me is, what have you done lately? If you make the world or whoever you're interacting with or feminine happy, if it works for them, great. All the appreciation in the world, gratitude, whatever. And the second that flips, shifts, whatever, or they're left with anything that needs to be contained, as the leader, as the responsibility, nobody truly gives a fuck.